Protectionism is an economic policy of the restraining of goods between states or economies or countries through methods of tariffs, restrictive quotas, and a variety of government regulations. Protectionist policies help infant industries, businesses, workers, and producers survive in the economy without getting trampled on by outside economies. Methods of protection such as a quota, such as a tariff, is a tax imposed on imported goods. Tariff rates usually vary according to the type of good imported. Tariffs are put in place to prevent the buyers in Australia buying something from overseas, and so they're more likely to buy something in Australia than overseas. Quotas are to reduce the quantity of an overseas good or an overstate good by increasing the market price of the imported good. The economic effect of importing a quota, of using a quota, is similar to a tariff, where except the tax revenue gained from the tariff will be distributed to those who will receive the import licenses. The government regulations, well, they try not to be racist with this, I reckon, but the government regulations are put in place to ensure the food safety and environmental standards and the electrical safety and the overall safety of the product given traded in Australia or another economy, whichever, doesn't really matter, whatever you American, Ethiopian, doesn't matter. Anyway, the government regulations ensure that specific products from overseas cannot make their way into Australia or into our economy. And that's a wrap.